All right, can you guys hear me? Are we live? What is up? How's everyone doing? We already got 30 people in here. We're not even bullish. What's up, Silver? As always, likes and subscribe. What's up, Ibrahim? XCN. Yo, what's up, Cryptomyalysis? How's your vacation going, my man? What's up, Crypt? Steven says, alts look horrible. Very little hope. The end. We're getting there. There's no worries. What's up, Yeah, just went live. I was supposed to start an hour later, but I just figured I didn't have anything else to do, so I was just going to get on and get it started. I can hear you loud and clear. What's up? Trong, I guess that's how you say your name. How's it going? What's up, Eagles Kite Club? Oh, nice. He's tanning and watching. What's up, Lynx Cater? How you doing, my man? What's up, Jim? Yeah, Swiftcoin here looks like it's breaking out of a bull flag on the 4 hour. This is kind of just what we watched on ACH. So the slow breakout on Swiftcoin. She refuses to die. Possible next stop up is 10 pennies. Unless it's going to pull a, ACH and get stuck and just back test. ACH still low though, by the way. She's holding it very well. Yeah, see where you hit last time, low to the high. So you may hit 46, you may go a little bit higher to 52, 52. And if it's going to pull an ACH, you'll get a move up. Possibly 20%. That's exactly what ACH did, a 20% move, and then it just came right back down to back test. And now it's slowly starting to move back up. But yeah, Swiftcoin looks good here. What's up, Nun? What's up, Slava? How you doing? What are we thinking about the current market dump right now? Just another day. We dump one day and we're bullish the next. Dump the next day, bullish the next. Never ending. Never ending. Let's see what we got. XCN, yeah. XCN, I guess we'll look at. What's up, Jumar? He says, you think we lose 100 on BTC? Could be. You heard Japan will implement. Yeah, that's what Slava was telling us. All right, XCN. All right, I guess let's just get into it. But yeah, Swiftcoin broke out. It looks good here. XCN is still holding up. I don't think I've ever said that XCN looks terrible. Someone commented on the video I did today and said, they laughed and said, you just said in the last video that XCN was terrible. Pretty sure I never said that. It's always the people that highlight the comments on your videos. I don't know if you have the same thing, Myalysis. But they always like to highlight a negative or stupid comment for some reason. But XCN is ultimately, there's no reason to pick at it. It's in here in consolidation in a triangle, pennant, whatever you want to call this pattern. It's still holding up. It's over the 618. It looks good here. A couple of stops up. There's like 4.5, and then the 786 at 5.5. But I really do think XCN's going up into this little area, 8 to 10 cents on the next run up. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with XCN here. OXT about to break out. Oh yeah, OXT looks good. Yeah, we were looking at OXT last night. I don't think you were here though. If it can get over 11 and then 12.5, maybe this thing will start shooting up. Same thing, a little pump up and then consolidation. We're like really close to getting this run going. Maybe it's going to take another week or so, but we're getting there. Yeah, what is your target on OXT? I still like and heart it. That was to get removed from the YouTube videos and comments. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I did that. I used to try to clean up the chat and the comments on all the videos, get rid of all the bots and ban words, you know, the different coins that they chill in the bots, and ban the words. And then as I was doing that, my channel got hit with a warning saying botting my own videos, and my revenue got cut in half for about 4 months. The algorithm just like put me in the shadow realm, and they actually gave me a little thing and said they took, for botting my channel, they took 58% of my revenue at that time. So over half of my little YouTube check got just taken by YouTube. It was ridiculous. Another reason why I'm so poor right now. SPA's holding up pretty well. Yeah, OXT doesn't look bad at all. Japanese banks adopting XRP next week. All right, let me look at SPA real quick. Yeah, SPA doesn't look bad. I mean, OXT. Let's see what SPA has going on the 4 hour. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. Still really not doing anything. If we go to the larger time frames, it's still stuck. And this is what we repeated probably 10 times last night. You have to get over the 0.5, pretty much 2.8, pretty much 3 pennies, get back over this previous trend where it keeps getting stuck at, and then you're in good shape. But she is holding up. Maybe it's going to copy Swift and finally make a higher high and hit the 618 at 4.5 pennies here. Sooner than later. Get you a little 97% move. Corium, is Corium going to break down? We got Just Chilling 2025. I didn't even see that for 10. Liked, subscribed, and happy Luna New Year. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate the 10. Let me get this on the larger screen so we can see actually. Yeah, so ever since then, Cryptomyalysis, I don't even bother with the bots. Because I looked at the larger influencers, you know, the big people on YouTube. Their videos are full of comment bots and everywhere. And I guess that's the way to do it. If you're gonna make it in YouTube, you just gotta leave them alone. YouTube will handle it someday, hopefully. But yeah, I appreciate the 10 there. Just chilling. Swift gonna explode. All right, Corium. Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Cup and handle. So maybe that's the bullishness we're looking for. There's your cup. There's your handle. It's time to go up. So yeah, we're seeing bullish formations like this on the macro on a lot of things. ETH, Jasmine, everything. Everything looks primed and ready to go. What was I looking at now? Every time I read a comment, I forget what I was going to look at. Can you do TN on Swift? So SPA, cup and handle. Yeah, we just looked at Swift. We're probably going to look at Swift a billion times again. Might as well just have a Swift watch party now. But yeah, Swift, if we would have caught this a couple hours ago, I guess. We didn't see this last night, I guess. I don't know. But same thing ACH just did. It's breaking out of this little bull flag. Where it's going, no one knows, but we do have a couple of targets to watch. 4.5 and then 5. So either a 12 or a 24% move up. And it could continue running, but if it's going to copy ACH and do this, pull back, back test, and then go back up. But overall, it looks good here. Swift is breaking out here, even though everything is bearish right now. And on the macro, as long as you stay over 4, the 618 here, you're good. What is that, the 1 day left on the weekly candle? Yeah, so if you can get these larger candles to close over the 1618, you're in real good shape. Next big target up for Swift is 130% move to 10 cents, up near that billion market cap. Corium, yeah, Swift coin's going up right now. It just broke out of a 4-hour bull flag. Corium, where's our Corium chart? Oh yeah, Corium's the same way. Hasn't broke out yet. Still holding low to the high, strong move, bull flag, 382. So many coins are flagging right now, as he said. We're flagging. Doesn't look bad. As long as you hold 18.3 here, you could dip below, of course, but ultimately this thing looks bullish. And being at the bottom of the flag here, bottom of the pattern, and on the 382, probably the perfect time to buy in, not financial advice. Don't throw $100,000 on it. But yeah, possible. Once you break back over the double 236 here, this thing could shoot up to the 382 and do a 230% move, so over a 3x out of this pattern. Yeah, Corium's trying to hold up bullish here. Same thing with XRP, XLM, HBAR. All these coins look real good on the macro. Who we got in here? What's up, Dustin? What's up, Daniel? What's up, Market Maker? You said you just keep doing these analysis live and fortune will follow. Yeah, we're slowly getting there. It's been a long road so far, but we're getting there. It seems like we were just at 5,000 subs and now we're hitting almost 12. What's up, Roger? What's up, Richard? Was Swift hit 5 cents and get rejected? There's no telling. I don't have a crystal ball to tell you that. All we can do is look at these coins and if they're holding up. The Corium is primed and ready, but a good example is ACH. ACH flipped bullish here. It's getting pretty much stuck. Let me get this yellow line off the chart just so it's not so messy. Go ahead and get this off. It already broke the highs. But yesterday before the stream, just like Swift coin, bull flag, she ran up, got stuck at the first major resistance, and then pulled right back. But that's exactly what I said on the video. So she pumped out of here, did a little 20% move, came back and back tested, and now she's trying to go back up. But overall, 4-hour time frame, you're holding up. And that's exactly what we're looking for on Swift coin. So some of these coins don't look bad. What's up, Junior? How you doing? But yeah, I guess there's a good chance it'll get rejected, but we'll see. As long as it doesn't die. Like, probably shouldn't even go over there right now. But a lot of people yesterday, wow, we got 248 people in here. Oh, 174 people on Twitter. How's everyone doing over on X? Hope you guys are doing okay. 71 on here. What's up, Aaron? Yeah, ACH building slowly. Yeah, I have a feeling that ACH is going to fly to the moon soon. But as we were going, you guys see Toshi's dying here. People kept asking about it. It's still going to be a good play, but it's going to be a buy the dip opportunity here because she's coming down. She's coming back down to the previous high at 7.5. But I told you guys that yesterday. This thing could drop all the way down, possibly all the way to the 382. You can see where all this resistance was here, and then we blew out of here, and we could come all the way back down. She's dropping. So any lower than 7.5, then there's a good chance this thing's going to just drop. And I know there's going to be people coming in here asking for Toshi. Another 21% drop on Toshi possible. Yeah, why does this always go to the small screen? All right, there we go. ACH will be flying shortly, says Pads. I'm trying to catch what all you guys are saying. CTX. Yeah, I just made updates on Math and SUKU. There's so many plays on Coinbase that they just need to stay down for me. If I could get one decent little run out of a coin, then I can buy these coins at the bottom. Low circulating supplies, low market caps. Yeah, CTX spiked up. Oh, excuse me. She's trying to hold over the 382 right now. I don't really see anything on the smaller time frames, but if you can hold over 373 or so and continue this little run, the goal on CTX is to break the previous high and come up here to the 618. Sooner than later. 970, 10 bucks, 160% move, but it needs to break this high. But right now it is making higher highs and higher lows. It hit the bottom. I mean, it looks like these coins are starting to wake up, so maybe we have one more bearish day tomorrow, and then Monday we kick it off, hopefully. That would be nice. Yeah, Media, Muse, we looked at those yesterday. But yeah, we need to kick things off already. I'm tired of being bearish on the channel here. We need to pick it up. Yeah, same thing with Media. She's starting to move. Higher highs, higher lows. Off of the bottom here, 382. So as long as you're over 20, 21 here, 30 is the price to beat. Yeah, Coinbase coin with a low circulating supply. So new high on this one, 180 bucks, 8x. You guys got to remember, make sure you also check where these coins are number-wise and community-wise and social-wise, because there's so many coins now, they're not all going to pump. Some may have little baby pumps and that's it. Some may go to the moon, but there's just so many coins now. But yeah, Media is curling up. Muse. Yeah, I saw that Qtum coin was still bullish. Yeah, I guess you could say there's a lot of wicks here, but I guess you could say a bull flag is forming. You're over the 382. We'll see. As long as you hold over 11.6, then maybe this thing will continue up to 19, 20 bucks. let me pull that back up. Yeah, if you can get over 14, you're bullish, and that's your possible breakout for if this is a flag pattern. I don't tend to like the flag patterns that are the large wicks and then the flags like at half mass. You know what? I'm going to draw this on here. Let's see if this plays out. Our little half mass flagpole. I don't even know if that's a pattern or not. XCN drop rapidly. XCN is not moving. Been holding Swift since 5.8. Not bad. Oh, did you short Toshi? The red slice is awesome. Let's see. What do you think about hype? What is hype? Is that hyper or something? The hype is over for hype. Hyperliquid, why do we have 3 charts for Hyperliquid? Pyth chart, I think this was the one. Yeah, you gotta look at the coin circulation and all that because this looks like a newer chart. Some of these newer coins just broke down like big time. Let me see if I can even see what the hell's going on here. I'm not looking too bad. Low to the high from what we can do on it. Held the 0.5. You're back above the 382. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It's curling up like the rest of the market. So it does appear that it's coming back down here. So look for another 9 to 10% drop, and 22 is your price to hold. But not an overall bad looking chart. I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess that's the new high. Is that correct? Hyperliquid, 25 bucks, so possibly this thing got a high market cap, so 20 billion market cap to 50. What the hell is that? Why is there one line? Why is there one fib on the chart? That makes no sense. That's odd. Alright, yeah, we'll just stick with this chart. Damn, she already hit it. That was fast. Oh, that's the 382. Alright, low, high to the low, you're hitting the 382 right now. So any lower than 24, then 24 down to 10, and then it's over for this one. But it looks good, like I said. What's up, Carrie? VVV is a scam. Yeah, they put it on Coinbase and it went to 0. Oh yeah, I forgot about the music. The music is really bad. Yeah, we just go through the list pretty much. Can we look at swell? I don't think I could do anything with the VVV chart. But yeah, we're just a sea of red today again, besides a couple of coins. So there's probably not going to be nothing to look at besides Swift and yeah, see, Coinbase listed it and it just rug pulled it. Let me see if there's a better chart on this because that thing's just going to 0. There's no bottom on it yet, so there's no reason, there's no way to tell when to hit. VVV on Binance. XC. Is that what it's called? Venice token? Alright, let's check these out real quick. See if we got a better chart than the Coinbase rug pull. Oh, they're all rug pulls. It was worth a try. So does anyone know if there's a chart for this one? Because it seems like they launched it and it went to zero. VVV had what, like 2 or 3 major listings in a day. Mark of death. Yeah, I guess the Coinbase chart is better than any. So on VVV, I mean, you could take a stab at it, but there's clearly no bottom yet, and there's no way to, until this thing goes sideways, there's no bottom. It just comes down, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Can you short this thing anywhere? Be a good short play, potentially, since it's just going to zero with everything else. Oh, man. Yeah, I wouldn't touch VVV, personally. Swell. Cooking dinner and listening, so we'll be quiet for a bit. Oh, you'll be quiet for a bit, okay. Moodang, what do we say? Moodang, Mavia. I'm trying to catch all the coins you guys are saying. Moodang, all those coins are dropping. I don't know why. Yeah, Toshi's going to zero. If it finds a bottom, it'll probably be a good buy. All right, all I see is VVV everywhere. I lost track of what you guys were asking for. Mavia, I guess. Is Mavia still alive? We're so bearish today. It's ridiculous. Dude. Man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I wish I had some extra money. Even though it's dying, this Mavia looks horrible. There's no bottom. There's no bottom on Mavia. It's just dying right now. I'd get in on this for a quick little in and out short on it. Make a little bit of money, but I don't have any to put on it. Man. H bar, I think I remember seeing. Yeah, there's nothing to worry about on these bigger coins. The big old strong coins, they're holding up well. You got to zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. We're still getting stuck at the 76. It's been getting stuck there for a long time, but ultimately, you're still holding up in the pennant pattern here, so it looks extremely good here, just as the other coins did. And you're coming right up on the 382, so it may wick down below it, but you need to hold pretty much 28.6 here. It may wick down to 26.5, and you're still good, just like it did all back here. But as of right now, H bar looks good. It just needs to get back over 31, 32, and finally have a breakout. But it's consolidating in a bullish pattern. That's all you need to see. So if alt season kicks off and we just start flying, these coins that are consolidating like this, that have these strong moves up, they're just going to start flying. Oh, man. We got Blue Man Muskick for 2. I appreciate that. I appreciate the 2. You didn't say anything. Dump before the pump. Yeah, it sucks it has to be that way. What's up, Cloud9? No, H-bar looks good. It's been doing the same thing for a while now. Until it clearly breaks down, you got to be bullish on it. XYO is tanking. Yeah, XYO had a run. What is XDC doing? Some of these coins they pumped up and they didn't hold any form of consolidation. Oh, this one's holding. You got wicks all over the place, but ultimately the strong move up, bull flag. You're holding over the 0.5. I know it's hard to be bullish on these coins when they're not moving and they start dropping. You guys look on the 1 minute time frame. And low to the high, you're holding over the 3.2. So technically low, high, you're bullish over 16 down to the 0.5 here. So this one's not a bad spot. It's just waiting its turn to break out. XDC. Oh yeah, XDC broke out of its little pattern. What is it doing now? Oh, she's repeating history. Alright, XDC doesn't look bad here. Depending on what time frame you look at, but you can clearly see there's some form of consolidation forming again. So we like to be bullish on these things. Doesn't mean they have to be bullish. Yeah, low to the high, holding the 0.5. So it looks like as long as you're over 10, this pattern's going to hold up. But yeah, I appreciate the 2 there. LimeWire. Does anyone care about LimeWire? What's up, Charmander? What's up, Baggy? Swift coin going down. What do you think about it? He says when I'm 100 years old, LCX will move. Yeah, she's still holding up. We got Junior for 5. I appreciate that. Tau and AVAX. I appreciate the 5 there. Oh, wow. We got 370 people in here. 300 on X. Wow. 79 on YouTube here, and we're so bearish right now. Tau and AVAX. What is AVAX? What is Tau doing? Let's see. Tau's breaking down. Maybe not. We'll just push the narrative and say she's still holding. So as long as you're over the 0.5 at 359, and then yeah, you're over a double 0.5. You need to get back over a 417, 432 to be bullish again. But what is Tau? What kind of chart do we have here? Yeah, the overall chart doesn't look bad. The only bearish thing is the lower high here, but it's starting to curl up, so could be the bottom. Just depends on if it holds those levels. But apparently this thing's damn it. But yeah, this thing's at a 3 billion market cap at the moment, and I guess we have these here for a reason. But first order of business on Tau is going to be a new high. If it's going to hold up, 190% move to 1100. So is Tau going up here to a 40 billion market cap? I would imagine that's why we have it up here. 5,700 bucks, 42 billion market cap for 13.5x, and then possibly 9,700 or 10,000 for 72 billion market cap at a 23x. I know nothing about Tau. I don't know what it is, but the overall chart does not look bad here. Is it going to go that high? I do not know. don't even remember the last time I did an update on the channel to get any kind of feedback. Yeah, AVAX doesn't look bad here. Same thing that ETH is doing, Jasmy's doing, and I can't even remember the others. But you can clearly see the head and shoulders pattern that is forming. You just broke the 0.5, so let's see what you're going to hit here. Come on, you can move. But yeah, I did an update on AVAX the other day. You could technically come all the way down to the 618 at 27. So 31 and 27 is your support levels. And you would still end up holding the other shoulder here. So from where you are right now, 5% to about a 15, 16% drop to 2.7. But it may hold 31 here, hold our little tight shoulder, and then go back up. But it is in a bullish macro setup, at least in my opinion. And then once this thing breaks out, it's gunning for the new high, it looks like. But yeah, AVAX I think is really good for this box here. So 2025, I think 200 for a 5x, 6x, up to 300 for a 9.5x. I think that's a good fair target box for AVAX. You're tempted to buy Swift and ACH here and DCAN. Yeah, everything's bearish right now, but ACH, in my opinion, ACH is holding up well. We got Eldor for 2. Natix. What is Natix? I appreciate the 2. I don't remember if we looked at Natix. Oh, I guess we did. Natix Network, another network coin. Someone go look it up. How many network coins are there? 1 billion? It's holding the 236. I don't know what this is, but first thing I notice is the weird double bottom with the higher low. Could be bullish. And then, of course, it's back above the 236. It probably hit the 786. No, it didn't. Dipped below it. But overall, a weird price action chart. I don't know what this is, but I would just keep it simple. As long as you're over 7.4, bullish over 9.1, breakout potentially over 12 up to 15. It looks like 15 is going to be your breakout point. Or 0015, that is. But potentially bottomed out. Double bottom, higher low. Held whatever trend is down here. And if this one runs to a new high of 4x up to 0031272, it runs up to 004, 6.5x. And I don't know what this is, but if it can hit a penny at some point, it'd be a 15x. We got Sullen for 279. I appreciate that. Yeah, I got to get caught up in these super chats now. Spell still bullish. Oh, here we go with Spell. We'll finish the day bullish, too optimistic. Now we'll see. What's up, Dustin? Hit the smash. Hit the smash. Smash the like buttons. What's up, Crypt? He says we got another winner. Which one? Yeah, someone could just walk in and flip a switch and then we'll be back to being bullish again. You see how bearish we are now? I mean, it's just ridiculous. So we're just expecting it. Tomorrow will be bullish again a little bit. Monday will be bearish again. And then at some point next week, we'll kick things off. Spell. Can it still drop? Of course it can. Spell, where we at? Where we at, Spell? Oh, she is dropping. Yep, Spell's taking a hit, down almost 15%, hit the 382. Hopefully this is not one, but this is what we keep saying. These coins hit the higher high, they complete the mission. Now it's time to complete the other side of the mission and come all the way back down and put in the higher low. Drop 50% back down to the bottom, back down to the trend. Let me just see what we're holding here. We'll draw two different ones. I think we did this last night. So we lost the 236 at 13. And then if we pull it up here, 382 coming into play. So yeah, if we stay below 13, this thing's no longer bullish. So there's 1 day left on this weekly candle, 3-day candle. The only thing I would say, if you hold 13, but not looking great on Spell, it looks like it's going to come down. Possible at lowest, or at minimum, 236,618, and then get a bounce back up. So it could be coming back down to 001 here. And that's where you're going to find a bottom. Double support down here, 20% drop. But that's like opposite of ACH right now. ACH made a move up, made a higher high, but when you go on the smaller time frames, it's still holding in that area and it's still doing bullish things. So that's the difference here. There's nothing bullish on Spell at the moment. All right, let me see if I got all the super chats. I don't think I did yet. We got Crypt for 2. I appreciate that. Another sleeper, TAI TARS. Oh yeah, we like TARS. I like TARS. Last time we looked at it, I think it was coming down. Nah, 200 to 300 for AVAX. Oh, Richard. Are you shorting Rune? I was thinking about longing it earlier, but I don't have money to long it with anyway. But is she still going down? I was looking at Rune earlier. I think it was at $1.30. I was like, man, this will probably be a good spot for a long, but it still looked extremely bearish. So, not that I have the money to touch it, but I can dream. Yeah, I think everyone's shorting Rune right now. What is she at right now? I can't go look at the moment. Is she below a lot of 30? Yeah, TARS AI here. She's still holding, I would say. Depending on how you look at this, this could be a bull flag type of a pattern. Consolidation. Went down into 618, but you're holding the 786 here at 23. And I would say simply, what is, let's see, 3-day. Okay, 3-day. If we get a 3-day close below 23, then you can say it's over and it's not going up. But as of right now, it's still holding. And then TARS AI. Top of the fib at $10 would give you a 1.7 billion market cap to a 43.5, 44x. If that's at all possible, maybe you hit $5. It'd be a 21x. But I think the first order of business would be coming up here. Of course, the 1618, but for a decent target, 5x to $1.20. Yeah, I appreciate the 2. What's up, Choice? Crushing it on Jupiter. We should pump AST small little 10 million market cap on Coinbase. I don't think there's enough people here to pump a coin. Unless we got some millionaires in the chat. Alright, I think I got them all. But yeah, I was looking at Rune earlier. What is she at? Oh, it's at $1.20 now. So why is Rune dying like this? Down below all the support levels you could have. This thing coming back down to 78 cents. I would chance a long. If this thing came back down to 78 cents, tag that. I would chance a long there. Nothing crazy, but what is AST? Something we've never looked at. Air swap. Yeah, I never heard of air swap. Is this a Coinbase coin? Oh, this is an old coin from 2017. If this thing really has a low market cap and this is the first bull run on a major exchange on Coinbase here, it could be a good play. I don't know why I went there, idiot. Yeah, she came out, stuck at the 786 for a double top, and been crawling along in a channel here. All right, maybe something for you guys to look into. AST on Coinbase. I never heard of this one. Bruno's like 200 million. Oh. Oh. Too bad I can't short it. Because it may still drop. Like big time. Man. I'm going to keep holding, but I really want to sell my Phantom coins, my Solana coins, because they're not doing anything. Just to take a stab at doing some longs and shorts on Bluefin. But yeah, everyone hit the like button and answer the poll. It's going to help out the algorithm, hopefully. Man, we got 359 people on Twitter watching. It'd be nice if all those guys were over here. Just going to stop by YouTube and hit the like button for me. Let me get 400 likes. AirSwap so 2018. But yeah, like you said, if this thing is on CoinMarketCap or whatever this is called, Coinbase for the first time for a bull market and it's low market cap, the fact that it's done nothing and consolidated forever, we'll see from here. Since 2020, it's been going completely sideways. I don't know what this is, but it could explode. What kind of damage would it do? Yeah, I need to start writing my rollover list because these Coinbase. Oh no, this thing's gonna explode. 134x to $10, and you can see the consolidation is getting tighter. I'm not saying to buy in. I'm not saying anything. This is not financial advice, but just a 786 move get you a decent little 8x up to 62. All right, I gotta write this one down. I gotta start writing these coins down. AST, my Coinbase list for rollovers. All right, what are we looking at now? Yeah, everything's just down right now, but everything seems to be setting up for a move. What's up, Shadow? He says, don't chase. Yeah. I don't have any money to do it anyway. What's up, Charles? Everything in a bull flag ready to explode. I agree. Everything looks good. And the fact that I think we're right on the cusp of, within a week or two, hopefully, Arc Block is still holding up very well. Arc Block's getting primed and ready to go, I think. PNG. Someone said Degen, I think. PNG's coming back down. So is it people just getting tired of holding PNG and they're switching to other projects? Any lower than 20.5, 20.5, then there's a good chance that PNG is going to break down. But it's doing what a lot of things did. The same exact pattern of consolidation. We pumped and everything came right back down to that level. So this could very well be the bottom for PNG. Degen. Degen's still melting away. Alright, we've got daily closes below. Still got a day left to get this weekly candle bought back up yet again. But yeah, there's nothing really bullish on Degen at the moment. I don't really know where she's going to end up. If she can get bought back up over 6.3, then 7.2, and then maybe it'd be in good shape. This needs to be it for Degen. Needs to get bought back up over that. Yeah, I mean, overall, if you just look at it and zoom out, you're still technically macro holding higher lows. Right now, it runs the risk of coming down to 0.05 and then 0.04. And that could be the bottom. But there's nothing bullish on it. Have no idea. I would imagine Degen's going to run hard at some point because it's got a lot of, from my understanding, it has a whole bunch of holders. I don't know if they're still holding. They may be selling now. But from what we're seeing on all these newer meme coins, Mudang, some of these others, they're just dying. Chainlink, technically, Chainlink would be a good play also. But it looks like it's just a little baby breakout. If that is a bull flag consolidation here. Simple back test. Yeah, I would just simply say any lower than 22 down to 21, then it's just going to break down. But those are your prices to hold right now. Or we just zoom out and say you're still in the bull flag, nothing to worry about. Over the 618 at 21.5, you're in a bull flag. Looks good when you zoom out. But Chainlink, $100, 63 billion market cap possible, if that's correct, would be a 4.5x. I don't know where the projected price of Chainlink is supposed to go. but possible bull flag, and then a very large double bottom higher low. Oh, come on. But yeah, I think I'm going to only, if I ever get a chance, I'm going to just buy stuff that's on the bottom. So Eldor with Dead Bull Run. Yeah, Popcat. I got out of my Popcat bag. I bought in and she just died. Everything I buy dies. You're in a big DGen community? Yeah, that's my understanding. It's got a really large community, a lot of holders. Oh, is that why they keep airdropping coins? Well, that's the problem. Make crypto great again. How do we do that? XRP. Yeah, I agree with that. I bought in green on XCN and we'll see what happens. I mean, the XCN videos are still getting good views, but XCN and XRP, we'll look at those two. What are you going to do? It's still holding up, as you can see. Another pennant continuation pattern here. The fact that it's not dying is a good sign, so it looks good here. Even though someone said I said it looks terrible. I don't think I ever said that. I pointed out the possible move down off of the head and shoulders pattern here, but she's holding up. So other than that, there's really nothing to say. I think Monday the white paper comes out and some good news, so maybe people will start piling back in. You're holding low to the high 0.5 and you get back over 3.3 and then 3.8 and possible breakout. But like I said, it is holding up. And I think the next run up is 10 cents. I don't know why that's so large. Get out of my way. If we can get through 5.7, that's an 85% move. We have 8 to 10 cents in this volume area. But yeah, there's people calling for $1, $5, just crazy numbers on this thing. I don't know if that's going to be the case because we looked at this. If you guys have been on the channel for a while, which some of you have, we looked at this from this consolidation here. This is where I wanted to buy XCN because of the good returns here. You know, up to where it is now. You got over that 20x already. Oh man, I can't believe I missed it. And then we would always kind of joke around and be like, here's your moonshot. 675x to the 1272 new high at 87. So is this thing really going to do that from the bottom? From us that have been watching XCN from the bottom, is you really going to do that? Even larger move if you fall back here. Or is it more likely? I know you guys don't like to hear it. On last move for a lower high at 10, maybe 12 cents, and then it's over for XCN of this cycle. Oh man, I can't say that. Let's see. Oh no, we got ZBCN coming in. What do we got going on in the chat? XCN looks done. I don't know. We'll see if it runs Monday. So if XCN doesn't run Monday when they come out with the news, I guess it is done. I don't know. For now, at least. Yeah, Degen's still gonna have a bull run. People in the chat there didn't smash the like button. How many people we got in here now? 94? Man, this is what happened last time. We had a couple hundred when we were super bearish that one day. I guess we just come in here to cope a little bit. Nothing else to do but watch our money go to zero. So you guys think the Trump tariffs are bearish? It depends on where you live. ZBCN. Yeah, I like ZBCN now. We talked about it so much. We looked at it so much. Now I'm bullish on it. I think it's a good project. If I can muster up some funds somehow before it runs. I hear it's on uphold, I think. Maybe I'll buy it. But it's just sitting here holding up, not looking bad. It's back down below the 236, but ultimately going sideways. But they got a decent website and a narrative, so I think this thing's going to run pretty good. I don't know about 15 to 20 cents, like somebody said. We have 3618 would be a 224x. I guess if XCN is going to do a 6, 7, 800x, then all these coins can do whatever the hell they want. But to a penny, a billion market cap would give you a 17x on ZBCN. He says, "Where's your favorite guy?" I don't know. He wasn't here last night, I don't think either. So it is what it is. Oh, yeah, we didn't look at XPR or XRP and XPR. XRP. Yeah, the fact that XRP is not doing anything is good. We say that she's coming down, but ultimately it's going sideways. Consolidation here. Little strong move up. You could call this a little bull flag move, but ultimately it doesn't look bad. There's a good chance that'll get bought back up yet again and hold over this 295, 296 level. But ultimately, as long as you're over 253 for a back test, you're still good. There's nothing to worry about on XRP. And then XRP is probably going anywhere from $5 to $8, maybe more. XPR network. Oh, she looks like she's holding support. So XPR network is trying to hold a 382 right now at 4.0 after the decent run. So yeah, I'd keep it that simple. It needs to hold here. Pretty much double 382, so it could drop down as low as 378, still be bullish. Any lower than that, you're probably coming all the way back down here. 2 to 1. Yeah, this thing could fall off the table 40% if it doesn't hold here. But yeah, what's tomorrow? Sunday? Let's see. Why y'all saying Jersey sucks? West Coast, Best Coast. Uh, when I took profits on XCN, it was at a 17x. Where's my 17x? Why else ain't Undead God? Is he here? Or y'all just talking? Oh wow, yeah, ACH is holding up nicely. What is RXP? Or you mean XRP? Sucked into the BS. They are the flat earthers of crypto. Jersey is so misunderstood. Everyone's just hanging in here. What's up, Mispa? I don't know if you've been in here or not, but I see you here. Yeah, we're holding steady at 450 people at the moment. XCN. Let's see what XCN is doing. Yeah, XCN's another one that has good potential. I think. Yeah, she held the bottom. Come on. Jeez. Yeah, I don't know what you guys said about XCN where you can buy this one, but it's giving me XCN vibes. If this is some sort of a good play like XCN, looking at it from where it is now for the potential bottom, 382 retracements of 14.5x, 0.5 is 47x, a 618 retracement is 152, 53x. So if we can pull an XCN and have a giant candle spawn in, 150x possible. Yeah, so if that Rune project is dead, how long are they going to keep it on exchanges to let it get shorted? Just short it to zero? Yeah, low, high, 786 trend, and that looks like the bottom for Zen. Wow, we've been on an hour already? Over an hour? But yeah, there's nothing to look at because everything's dying. We could go look at Swiftcoin and ACH and SPA all we want, but they're not really doing anything at the moment. Just a nasty sea of red. All right, well, with that being said, since we still got people in here, we'll go over this once again. For you guys wondering where alt season is, where we at? Yeah, we're still holding up on the market cap. This little trend here is holding. That's the reason alt season hasn't started yet. But to make the case for alt season already starting is we're making lower highs. We made a lower low. So once this thing starts to break down, I drew this on there. I don't know if that's possible, but 58%, 57%. Once we start breaking down and breaking this little uptrend that we're in, that could tell us it's it because we're already starting to form bearish structure here. On top of that, if we go look at the total crypto market cap, let's go to the monthly. Oh, I didn't hold, but when this breaks above 103 trillion, 103, 1.03, the previous high from back here in 2021, that's when you know alt season's in, when you get these candles up here. So that needs to break, but we're right there. We're trying. It's right there. And then on top of that, Ethereum on the Ethereum chart looks bullish. And if we go look at Ethereum here against Bitcoin, low to the high. This channel we're in, we just hit the bottom of the channel. We're hitting this final 786 support here, and this final macro support and resistance area at this large red box here. So we're looking for a move like this, breaking over 4 and then going up. Once this thing breaks out at the top of the channel at potentially 4.3, that's telling us that ETH against Bitcoin is winning. So those three things need to happen, and they're very, very close. This is telling us that we're right on the cusp of alt season. And maybe that's why we're seeing some coins move. Oh no, where's Joe? Joe hasn't been here in a couple days. I know he had Ondo. I forgot about Ondo. What's Ondo doing here? Is it still in a bear flag? Oh man, I don't know. ACH is moving, is it? Where is this Litecoin pump? Not here yet. Should you buy more PNG? If it goes any lower than it is now, then it's going to drop. It needs to hold where it is now. Like I pointed out earlier, potentially the bottom is in, but who knows? If we stay bearish all the rest of the day and tomorrow's bearish, then we could see some blood in the streets here in the land of crypto. Turbo, what's Turbo up to now? We're on the wrong list. Let's switch this over. What are we looking at, Turbo? Yeah, I looked at Turbo earlier. She's pretty much trying to hold. Wow, what I got so much on the screen here. Oh. Just depends on where these candles close. 3-day candle, 1 day left. If it gets bought back up like the last week here, 618 could be the bottom. So really all you can do with Turbo right now is buy the dip. 5.3. If it's going to close below, then you'll get another discount on Turbo. Wait to buy in at 0.004, another 18-19% drop. So until it starts to move back up and get over some of these other levels, we're just kind of watching it to see what happens. Oh, bring out the shorts on Mooding. She's dropping. This is 3-day candles. Yeah, as long as you're below 10, she's about to hit 6.5 and drop 26%. ACH again. She's not moving. She's not moving, but she's in a good spot. The fact that we broke out and we back tested perfectly, and now we're holding up here. As long as it doesn't break down before people pile back into it. Yeah, ACH doesn't look too bad. Do you think we get a Turbo bounce back? I don't know. But definitely, if it comes down to 4, I think that would be the bottom. What's up, Dave? How are we feeling today? Buy in the red if you can. It's another day of death. Shadow Realm edition. Yeah, red days are meant for buying. And I hope you're right. ACH does a step ladder that compresses. Yeah. So, Oscar, what are your thoughts on MAGA? You got to be more clear. What is MAGA? Talking about MAGA on Sol, on base, MAGA hat, the new Trump coin. I don't know what that refers to. No formatting into ACH or Swift for me. What's up, Dennis? ACS. Yeah, ACS is still in a good spot. I think. I haven't looked at it today, I don't think. Yeah, she's still coming back down. Yeah, she got stuck at the 3.2, but ultimately you're still going to hold here probably at 2.8, hopefully. Just wasn't her time yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, the overall chart on Axis reminds me of course, XCN. I couldn't think. There's triple support here on the fifth levels, wherever we draw them, high to the low, low to the high, and the macro. But you can clearly see once this thing finally breaks and gets a weekly over 382 at 0043, that's when she's going to be bullish to push up. Then Access 786 to a penny, a decent little 5x, half a billion market cap. And then possible 1272. I don't know. It may be possible, I guess. 22x, low market cap, Coinbase coin. Chat said, what are you talking about? Oh, can you check Swift coin? Thoughts on Ondo. Oh man, you're a minute too late. You missed it. Ondo's doing nothing. Ondo's still potentially, we're looking at this thing from Joe. Ondo's still trying, but potentially at the moment still trying to repeat history. She tried to pump the other day. Hasn't broke down yet, but you can clearly see there's some sort of a bear flag forming here. A little bear flag. So this thing could drop. She may be trying right now. All the way down to the daily candles. You're right on the 0.5. So it looks like any lower than 134. That's it. Swift coin again. Yeah, Swift coin. We looked at it when we first got on the stream. It looks like ACH. ACH and Swift coin are the winners right now. Strong move, bull flag, and she's slowly breaking out. A little slow breakout here. These little slow breakouts are getting annoying. And the breakouts that get instantly stuck at resistance are very annoying. What about ABT? Yeah, just go look up ABT. Yeah, Swift coin's still bullish short term at the moment. Just breaking out slowly from the bull flag. It's doing the same thing ACH is doing. I mean, they're breaking out, but like you said, it's a slow step up. Until these things really turn bullish, we're just kind of waiting around. Everyone get over there and poke them with a stick and say, come on, let's get moving. Yeah, I hope all these coins go up for you guys. I want all you guys to make money, all you guys and girls to make money out there. Thanks for checking. You're so sweet and awesome. I appreciate the words. Freedom from crypto, ACH, yeah, baby. You think XCN will hit soon, around 51 and then up to 5/10 of a cent? Don't look for more, just grab it. Thoughts on Aeons? What's up, Clavins? Doge. Doge is doing nothing, huh? ACH to the 5 level. BTC breaks down again. What'd you say? Did you say ACH? Hopefully not, but I get what you're talking about. We're sitting pretty above the 236 here, so we're broke out, back tested, we're holding. Maybe ACH is not going to care what Bitcoin does right now. But yeah, if it comes down there, then it's probably done. Because then you'll just start slowly breaking down to some degree. But right now we're holding out hopes that she holds up. But not in a bad spot. AOS. Yeah, let me put it on AOS, and then I got to get out of this chair for a minute. We're over an hour and a half in, I think. Since there's really nothing to talk about, we'll keep slowly going over these coins for you guys and just talking and being here. AOS is dying. Oh no. Alright, it could still turn into a wick here and hold, but it's still holding regardless in this, if you want to call this, well, yeah, another little consolidation bull flag period on AOS. Unless it starts breaking down here. It's getting hit pretty hard, it looks like, at the moment. Down 16% on the week. Oh, yeah. I mean, if this is not going to play out, which it looks like it's not at the moment, then hopefully the 618 holds at 5.6, another 15% drop here. But this could still get followed back up into a wick, and we'll hold the candle bodies and hold it accountable for being a bull flag. Refuse to let it go down. But yeah, AOS is taking a hit at the moment. But this is what I keep saying. I mean, this chart is overall bullish, but this thing's been going up forever. I personally would never buy into these coins. The only one I would buy into, I say that, but then I would buy into ARC block right now, just because it's holding up in that bottom formation. That's the only reason I would buy ARC block. Let's see. So what is Bitcoin at right now? It's all about moral support at this point. I hate trying to chart on Coinbase. Keep finding myself using TradingView. Yeah, that's all I'm used to, so I don't use anything else. I do my charting on here, and if I'm going to go try to trade something, I'll go to whatever exchange it's on and lose my money there. Bitcoin ultimately, even though we're looking bearish, you're still holding in this bull flag on Bitcoin. But yeah, from what I showed you guys earlier, the ETH dominance, Bitcoin, the ETH to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance. I mean, it looks like we're right on, right there, right about to start. Why can't we just be bullish for the rest of the year? What's up, Bryant? BTC on the 15-minute chart. That's not going to tell you anything unless you're trading it, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what we're looking for. Oh man, that's never gonna happen, my man. I have one toe in the market right now. Because if I become a multi-millionaire, I still find time to do charts. I can't answer that because I have no idea. I don't know how I would react if I had $100,000, let alone a millionaire. I first need to feel like what it like to get 20K, then 50K, and right now, if I got up to $1,000 on what I got in the market now, I'd be happy. But yeah, same thing with ETH here compared with all the other ETH stuff we said. It looks like you're in an ascending triangle pattern. Oh, we're not holding the 382 anymore, so that's not bullish. But ETH is also inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Oh, what did he say? Dang it. Any updates on AOS? Yeah, AOS is not looking great right now. Yeah, OM, Mantra. Yeah, I think I did 1 or 2 updates on OM on the channel and didn't get any views, and I think it lost a couple of subscribers. I don't know why. But Mantra's been staying up. She moved up from this little consolidation period when we looked at her last, low to the high, 236 held, and you're above the 1414. Yeah, because every time I look somewhere, Mantra's bullish, Mantra's trending. So I figured this one would get some good views on the channel, but no one gives a crap about it, even though it's bullish and it's still going. So as long as you're over 453 on Mantra, it looks like the next stop is 10, 1618, and 97% move, and then up to 45, 42, 43 billion market cap. Yeah, Mantra doesn't look bad. Media. Yeah, we did media and Muse earlier. Coinbase plays. All right, I got to get out of this chair. I'm going to put it on the media chart. We'll talk about it when I get back in a moment, but I got to get out of this chair. I'm fighting the pain right now. I really need the market to pump because I need a new chair. This is ridiculous. All right, you guys just chat amongst yourselves for a minute. I'll take a little 2-3 minute break, get out of this chair for a moment. I will be back. Everyone hit the like button and please answer the poll. Everyone on Twitter, I appreciate you guys. Hit whatever like button or heart button or whatever you can do over there for me. It's really going to help out with the overall channel and the channel growth here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me switch this song. Let me put something on that's going to blow you guys' eardrums out. All right. Let's see. So what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Oh yeah, media. So media over the 0.5. Let's see what the 4 hours doing. Bunch of nothing. Yeah, I would just keep it simple. If you can stay over the 0.5 at 21, hit the 618 lower high. Got your support to watch for now. Wrong thing. RSI's curled up though. Yeah, $21 to $22, you're still bullish here on this one. Other than that, there's really nothing to see on it. But Coinbase, low market cap. This one potentially new high, 183. Would be almost an 8x. Damn, that's a low market cap, 45 million. I don't know if that's still correct. 100 million market cap would get you your 21x to 480. I don't know if that's possible. Oh, what's up, Cha? How you doing, my man? We're still hanging in there. What is BTC at? But no, my chair is not a lawn chair. It's just it's an office chair, but it's an old one. A leather one where the padding is just, I don't know, not there anymore. I don't know. It squeaks something awful and it's just horrible. And it's got those arms on the side to where it puts pressure on your legs, and it's just not a comfortable chair. Whoever invented it or ever made it needs to be thrown out, I guess. Yeah, we're still holding 100K. ACH is on rockets. But yeah, I added that AST coin to my, well, it's the first one on the list now. She's dropping. But ultimately going sideways, doing nothing. Coinbase coin, low market cap. Do your own research, of course, but I would imagine this is the first bull run on a good exchange. I don't know. But the fact that it's been going sideways since 2020, and the fact that it's on Coinbase could be a good play. At least a good play for just coming up to the 786 in a bull market. Hopefully 62 would be an 8x on this thing. Is ACH doing anything, or is it still sitting? I imagine we're not going to do anything because the market is so bearish right now. Yeah, ultimately not doing anything. ACH might not do anything for another 4 hours. Why is that? Is that when the other side of the world wakes up? Yeah, let me go check this coin. I can't remember who sent me the Solana. I think it was Butthole. Is Butthole in the house? Who sent me the Solana the other day to buy this Souls coin? I shared the same damn screen. What the hell? Come on. Yeah, Toshi's still coming down. But yeah, whoever sent me the Solana the other day and told me to put it on Souls. I guess it's still holding up. This has to be the bottom. Still going completely sideways, but that money's already cut in half. I just keep looking at it and it just keeps going away every day. Alright, so not as bad as I thought, but still doesn't look great. How's that Hood coin doing? Hood is potentially at the bottom. The Robinhood coin. The official Solana Robinhood coin. Wait. Oh, this one broke down. Where's Dave? Are you still holding? It's unfortunate. I'm still holding this one too, but just made a lower low. Win. I'm still holding Win. Oh, you got out. Yeah, I probably should get out too. It doesn't look good anymore. It looks like it's about to drop hard. Not that it's much. It's only 30 bucks. Oh, man. How's Volt holding up? Yeah, what do you think about this one? Is this one going to move? I need a max win. And Drake's concert coming up in like a day or so. His tour. I need a max win tour. I just bought this one thinking maybe it would pump. But it's doing nothing. Yeah, where's this dumb Volt coin? Oh, well. If I could spell right. Volt. Oh, yeah, Volt terminal. This thing's still at the bottom. Maybe I will switch it for that one to see what happens. Well, $30 40x. Swift about to break 45. I'm not in no city. I'm out in the middle of nowhere in North Texas. Like literally out in the middle of nowhere. I have to drive 60 to 90 miles just to get to a big city. $60 miles just to the nearest Walmart. XRP dropping hard. I doubt it. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, as long as XRP comes down and backtests, we're fine. They could come all the way down to 253 and still be good to go. We got Dave for 2. I appreciate that. Great content, deserves a great seat. Oh, please donate. I'll get a chair eventually. I appreciate the 2. One day when we have a sea of green and we're not dying like this. Yeah, there's so many meme coins. There's just no telling what's gonna pump meme coin wise. So far, everyone I buy goes down, so I guess I won't buy Vault. I won't buy Vault, so Dave can get his little pump out of Vault. Hold your position, it will come back up. Yeah, I think we're right on the brink of alt season. Undead coin, I don't know what that means. North Texas sounds terrible. Yeah, I miss South Texas. I miss the beaches. I do not like it up here. But I think this month I'm going to move back down south. Very good chance. So there may be a day or 2 or 3 where I go silent. It's only because I'm in the process of moving. But I'll probably put out a community note on that. Just let you guys know. You'd love to be out in the sticks. There's no sticks here. There's only tumbleweeds. You drive down the little highways that are here. There's actual groups of tumbleweeds, like little animals. They're just running through the fields. Never seen something like that before in my life, and I'm just like, what the hell is this? Not even real animals here. They're just weeds. It's ridiculous. Oh, man. Yeah, Dallas is in North Texas, but I'm like way away from Dallas. I'm 3.5 hours from Dallas. Maybe more than that, I don't even know. When you think Binance will list XCN, I have no idea. There's rumors of it, but right now they're just rumors. Your goal is not to blow another trading account. My goal is just to make some sort of money. No, I haven't seen ice, but we got a lot of snow. Bought more XCN on the low today. Not bad. No, I'm not anywhere near close to Austin. Austin's way down south. Just out in the middle of nowhere, close to Oklahoma, but not quite there. 3 or 4 hours from Dallas, just out in the middle of nowhere. It's just, it is what it is right now. $100K to 0 can happen fast. All right, what are we looking at? We're just chatting now. There's nothing to talk about. How long we been on here? 2 hours already. But yeah, Swift coin. I mean, Swift coin, when you look at it here, it doesn't look bad. Last week we were looking at it down here getting stuck, and now it looks bullish. This looks like it's in this bull run and like it's going. It's just the fact that we're zooming out on the weekly and the monthly candles. When you look back on it, we'll look back at the weekly candles and there'll be 4 or 5 of these things spawned in all the way up here. And right now in the mix of it, it's just taking forever. But hold is all you can do. If you got Swift coin right now, I would just hold. I mean, it's looking bullish right now. She's pushing again. Spell, I think we looked at already. Spell, I think the top is in. It's just not Spell's time yet. Alright, let me switch this music. Yeah, Spell's down 16%, down below the 382 now. Damn. So yeah, Spell's not bullish anymore as long as you stay below that. But you can clearly look at the Spell chart, it's not bullish anymore. It's a complete 180 from the Swift coin chart. Crypto market makes you annoyed. Yeah. What's up, that dude? Let's see. CTX. Yeah, I did a CT. No, I didn't do a CTX video. I think we looked at it. Maybe I did. I don't know. Yeah, CTX is trying to wake up here. It's trying to stay over the 382. So you can be bullish on this one once it gets up and breaks this high and it has candles in like Swift coin here. But right now, if it doesn't hold the 382, this one can easily come back down to the bottom, drop 40%. H bar is holding up very well. DGen is down almost 17%. Yeah, it seems like the newer coins are getting hit the hardest. H-bar is still trying to hold the pattern here. We went over this earlier, nothing really to worry about. I'll just draw this the other way. Come on. Yeah, you're right on the 382 at 28. So we could get a wick down and still hold the higher lows. So you could come down to 26 and there's nothing to worry about. As long as we hold up with the candle body over this pretty much. So you could drop another 7% on H-bar, but ultimately, zooming out, it's still holding our continuation pattern here. Doesn't look bad at the moment. So until it clearly breaks down, it looks good. And I've said this many times before. H-bar, XLM, XRP, and whatever else, algo, whatever ran hard, and now they're consolidating in these patterns. I don't think we're in that stage of the market to where that's it. They're going to break down and go back up at some point. I think this is it. This is it. Move, consolidation, there'll be another large move, and then there'll be consolidation again, and then one last run to the top. It may take a long time, but that's how it goes. Oh, y'all can't even see it. Oh, the stream's over. Stream is over. That's why I hate going to deck screener, but oh well. Anyway, same thing I just said on H bar. There's nothing to worry about. Move up, like all the other coins, you're consolidating in a continuation pattern. And there's not enough time for these things to break down and come back down and then go back up. We're right there, especially with alt season right here, almost here, if not here. There's nothing to worry about on H bar. Yeah, H bar will have another leg up at some point. But in case you didn't see it, which I know you didn't see it, you can drop to 2.6 here with a wick and even a candle and still be fine. So not, what did I say? You could still drop here and still be good, but H bar doesn't look bad. A 7% drop could be in play, but back at the bottom of the triangle pattern, it's been holding up for all of these weeks. So I'm bullish on H bar here. I don't remember what we looked at before H bar. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? Yeah, we got it. San Antonio was your home for a while? Home a while back. Yeah, San Antonio is a good city. But yeah, like I said, I miss the beaches. The only one time I went to Florida was it was all choppy and there was seaweed everywhere. So I never got to see the clear waters of Florida. It was just seaweed and it actually made me sick. What else are we looking at? Best Coinbase play right now? That's a tough question, Jat B. There's a lot of good plays on Coinbase, I think. ACS has a good setup right now on Coinbase. If I could get it on ACS, if I had $500 to $1,000, I'd probably just set it on ACS. Not financial advice, but that chart looks good. And then, of course, some of these ones that are, I mean, not everything's going to pump, so not everything on Coinbase is going to move, so you got to do your research on them. People have to know about them, and people have to, it needs a community. If there's no community on a coin, it won't pump. That's my opinion, though. Yeah, GFI potentially just put the bottom in. Depending on how we want to draw this, just trying to hold here. If it breaks down again, then I don't know what to tell you. But low to the high, you're right at the 0.5. So if it comes down to the 236,618 at about 93, 94, then you're just simply going to break the trend, and then GFI is not going up for a very long time. But GFI is another Coinbase play that's probably going to run decently, but other than holding the trend, trying to here, there's nothing bullish on the chart right now. Maybe you get a nice decent run soon and make a new high above the 1618 and do about a 5, 6, 7x above 640, and then you can be bullish on the overall chart. Hope we reverse now. I got my longs in. Yeah, those are other other two. SUKU and Math are good plays also. I mean, they're on Coinbase. They pretty much helped build the channel here. All these coins that we've been covering for the last year and a half or however long it's been. Math, SUKU, GFI, XCN, all these coins that we've been covering. They get the views, they've gotten the subscribers. That's why you guys are here, some of you. But Math, a Coinbase play, low market cap, still hasn't done anything, going completely sideways. Has potential for some kind of a gain and potentially just hit the trend in the bottom. So 7x just to hit a 786 retracement, and then possible new high at about 522x. But yeah, the Math is not a bad one. Yeah, I just updated Math today, so there's a full video. I say full, but it's a 2-3 minute video. But it's just like the other one we looked at. It's trying to hold this 0.5 area right at the trend, so it's gonna see if it breaks down or not. Same thing, 618236 coming up, doing the same exact thing as GFI. All right, time to switch the music up. Is there anything bullish out there, like really moving? Yeah, all those coins you're saying, CTX, Aventus, all those Coinbase coins with low market caps. I would like to think people know about them because, you know, that's what you guys have been watching here on the channel. They're on the list. We go through them weekly. Thank you for all your help in TA. Seriously, I appreciate that. Solana's going to double, you think? I think Solana's going to $700 to $800. If you're lucky, $1,300. You want a beach? I can't see what that is. Acapulco, Mexico. Never been down there. Bitcoin moving up. On the auto and trade ISO coins. Yeah, that's been the play lately. AST, a good play. Just because it's on Coinbase, it's a low market cap. The chart's going completely sideways. It's a good play, but you got to do research on it. I have no idea what it is. When I say research, go see if they have a decent website, see if they have followers on Twitter, see if they're active on Twitter, see if they have an active community. Because if no one knows about it, no one may not buy it. Oracle AI, what is that? Another AI play. Oracle AI. Have we looked at this one? Or is this a deck screener coin? Yeah, tell me what Oracle AI is on. I think that's a deck screener play. Yeah, ZBCN has a good chart also. Big Jim on Solana. Is that the name of the coin? Big Jim. Big Jim. Sol. Oracle AI. Yeah, just tell me what Oracle AI is on. ETH based. So what's Big Jim? Invest in Big Jim. Do it for me. Oh, okay, your name's Jim. ACS has highest trading volume at least 1 million 24 hours. Yeah, ACS is probably going to leave me behind, but it's in a good spot. Not the greatest returns on it, but it looks to be in a good spot to me. Alright, but I guess we'll go over to Deck Screener in a minute. Rari real quick. Rari. Rari's not doing anything. Rarible. You're above the 236. You broke the trend. You back tested. So nothing bullish on it. You're making. Only thing bullish is recent higher highs and higher lows. Yep, this is going to be the bottom again. So a new trend in play. And then low to the high, didn't quite tag it, but you're sitting above the 618, 236. So as long as you hold this 192 level, could be the bottom. Needs to break over the 382. And of course, depending on how long it's going to take, 382, 3, and then 495, $5 back over to 0.5. Or else you could come back up and get stuck and pull right back. But yeah, Rarible here has done nothing yet. So I think it's going to do something. Not too bad. 786 retracement. 6.5x to $13, $14. And if you think it's going to hit $80, hit $2 billion market cap, 38x. Yeah, is Rari here on Coinbase too? I mean, we could probably come up with a list of 20, 30 coins on Coinbase that look like this. And then we need to weed through them and see the communities and see if, see if they're going to get bought. All right, let's go look at Oracle AI. Let me see if I can find it real quick. All right, yeah, that's probably it. Yeah, the only reason I don't like Coinbase wallet coins is because of Ethereum. If you're on the Ethereum network, the fall season's really about to kick in, just get ready for ridiculous gas fees. Hopefully we won't screw this up again. Oracle AI. Zoom this thing out. Oh, she looks like she already pumped and got stuck. Right at the 786. Yeah, almost 618, I guess. $171K market cap, almost 3,000 holders. So as long as you're over 1.3, that looks like it's where it's coming back down to. Bottom is in, bullish back over 3.1. So if it comes down to 1.3, it could be a good buying opportunity. But the question is, where is this one going to do damage at? Where'd you find this one at? 350x. And why did it disappear? Oh, not a bad one. All right, if it comes back down to the 236 and holds and you buy in, oh man, 500x. 507x. And you're right on the 618 now. So it could bounce here, and it could drop to 1.3 easily. And it could even go to the 786 here, but yeah, that's a 30% drop. But not a bad gamble play, I guess. And Josh says Pangolin, it's an AVAX DEX. Yeah. Big Jim on Soul. But yeah, this one, I mean, you want to play the ETH card and gamble on this one. Comes down to these levels here. Buy the bottom and get your 500x if it's going to go up. It doesn't have lock liquidity, by the way. Big Jim on Soul. Let's see what Big Jim is. $4.2 million market cap, 200K lock liquidity, not bad. Let's see. Well, it seems to be holding the structure, higher highs and higher lows, so maybe it's about to run to a higher high once again. So we'll just keep it simple. Big Jim. We draw it here. Yeah, I guess you're holding the 786 support. You hit the 1272. If you hold over 5042, you're holding structure. Eye on this one, possibly a 45% move, or the 1618 could be up 60% move. And to the top, give you a 3.5x. But yeah, it's newer and it's still curling up. Excuse me, I can't talk anymore. It may go way higher than the top of that bit, but it is holding support right now. I appreciate the kind words, Chat B. Ethereum gas fees never get fixed, yeah. Makes you wonder why Ethereum is so popular. Yeah, I saw that Qtum coin is still pumping, if I'm saying it right. Alright, we got this under control. I'll get the right screen up. Yeah, we looked at Media. Media is another one that's on Coinbase. I believe, from my understanding, low supply. I spelled it wrong, but it still popped up. Low market cap, low supply, Media Network. She's above the 0.5. Yeah, this is another good, I guess good potential play. This last time I checked it out, I don't know if they have more coins out, but 45 million up to $1.80, 8.5x. And then the 1618, 23x. 100 million market cap. But apparently it has a low circulating supply and low amount of supply, and it's on Coinbase, so. And I've heard of this one before. We've covered it on the channel before. Yeah, what is that Qtum coin doing? We were looking at this one last night. He's still pumping. Oh yeah, very large bullish setup here. So if it can get over 447, bullish, and potential breakout at that point, maybe 782. But this is not a bad. If it's going to hold up here in this very large triangle pattern, shoot out of here. 3.5x to 1376.18, $30 will get you an 8x, and then if this thing's going to shoot up to a new high, I don't know where you can buy this one at, but 79x. I think all of us would take a 79x any day. Let's see how many people we have in here. 380 on X and 60 on YouTube. The Swiftcoin and ACH, they still look good where they are right now. If only my portfolio could grow as fast as my plants grow. But yeah, any of you guys that have been holding, if you've been buying in and holding for the last 4 years, we're finally almost there. This long marathon is almost over. Just wish I could be in it better. Hank says another big leg down for altcoins. Yeah, if you go look everywhere, everyone's just bearish right now. Everyone's calling for the top end and just everything. Been holding since 2021. That's good. You should make it then. If you got the right coins, at this year some point, it's gonna all come to you. And you're gonna be happy you BCA'd in all these years. I've been doing the same thing, but things happened that I had to sell everything. But yeah, I'm happy for you guys that have been holding and we're coming up on it. Rari's up, Qtum's up. I guess that's it. There's nothing else to talk about or look at. I don't want to look at the same coins over and over. Pretty decent stream, I guess. I'll see what Bitcoin's at tomorrow. Trying to hold 100K here. See if we're bullish tomorrow, hopefully. Make sure I got all the super chats here. Let's see. Yep. So pretty much a bearish start to February is what it is. I'll go for a 20 to 30x at about a 7x. Yeah, you'll get there if you just hold until these coins actually move. These coins haven't ran yet. Most of them haven't. We still got a ways to go. But yeah, we're going to leave it at that for now. I appreciate you guys coming in. Hopefully tomorrow we are not so down and out. me go ahead and take off deck screen and let me go in the poll before we end this. I haven't even looked at the poll. So as I always keep saying, now's the time to say your goodbyes. If I can spell YouTube right. Yeah, I'm so out of the loop right now. I don't even know who's in the Super Bowl this year. I don't watch the news. I don't look at anything else. I was thinking about that earlier because I saw a flyer for a Super Bowl party at some place with an 85-inch screen or something. And I just thought to myself, man, I don't even know this year who's in the Super Bowl. But yeah, everyone hit the like button and subscribe if you're not. That would really help. We're almost 200 people away from 12,000 subs. It just seems like yesterday we blew through 10K and we're moving. Let's see. And of course, tomorrow, more videos on the channel, another live stream. If I can ever get over here. All right, poll time. Let's see what the poll did. All right, 83% said no, the top is not in. All right, the polls ended. What time is it? 6 o'clock? I guess we started too early. I don't know. Feels like the bull run is over. But as long as Mavia T13 is not bottoming and it's going to zero, yeah, all those targets are going to change. AMP. Monthly. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on AMP. You're below the 382, made a lower high. I would say the only thing on AMP you got to look forward to is possibly holding the trend and holding the 382 at 6.8. If not, it's probably going to drop down here. Possibly 0.5 to 0.005. If it doesn't hold where it is. But it seems to be holding. Or you're going to drop 28%. You held the same level back here. Then you died. So that could tell you the future. Then real quickly, AMP to a 2 billion market cap, 786 up to 4.5 pennies would be a 7.5x. And your moonshot, 30 billion market cap would be 4142 for a 63x. But yeah, Mavia real quick. Yeah, should have shorted Mavia. So all the targets on Mavia are going to change because we're going to have to end up pulling this down to wherever it's going to finally bottom out, so you can see everything changes. And we're going to predict the future here. Just coming down to 29. Because then you can see if we pull it down there, everything's respected perfectly. So we're going through the future. 618, 382, 382, 382, 382, 382. And then broke the 382 and just died. Yeah, maybe it looks horrible. Market is on sale. Yep. Yeah, we're not gonna know where maybe it can hit now until it finally bottoms out, and it's dying right now. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Staring at the death of Mavia here. Mavia going to zero at the moment. Yeah, you can see it just hit the 236 and then lost it. Now that we pulled this down, we're gonna get on here tomorrow and look if this thing hits and it's going sideways. Well, it's not gonna be because it's a 3-day candle. Wouldn't that be something if that predicted the bottom? Somehow maybe a knew back here that it was going down here while it was chopping around where it was chopping around. All right, we'll leave it at that. I appreciate you guys coming in here. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. What's up, XCN bro? Welcome to the end of the live stream. No, Jasmine's not bearish. What's up, Metal? Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.